Have you ever wondered why some people seem to make money even while they sleep? The truth is, many of them started with a simple side hustle. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 side hustles that have the potential to completely change your financial future. These businesses don't require millions to start, and many can be run from home using just your laptop and internet connection. Let's get started. Number 5. Online tutoring or coaching. If you have a skill or knowledge that can help someone else, you can turn it into a profitable online business through tutoring or coaching. You don't need to be a university professor or have years of teaching experience. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject or skill, there are people willing to pay to learn from you. You can teach academic subjects like mathematics, English, science, or history, or coach people in areas such as business, fitness, career development, languages, music, or even personal finance. The demand for online learning has grown significantly over the past few years, making this one of the easiest businesses to start from home. Popular platforms include Zoom, Google Meet, Preply, Superprof, Udemy, Teachable. For example, if you're fluent in English, you can teach students from around the world. If you're passionate about fitness, you can offer online coaching programs. Or, if you have experience in business, you can help aspiring entrepreneurs start and grow their own businesses. The biggest advantage is that you don't need a large investment to get started. Your knowledge is your product. As you gain experience, positive reviews, and satisfied clients, you can increase your prices and even expand into creating online courses or group coaching programs, depending on your niche and experience, making this a business with excellent earning potential. Number 4. Print-on-demand store. Print-on-demand is one of the easiest online businesses to start because you don't need to buy inventory or manage shipping. Instead, you create a design, upload it to a print-on-demand platform, and whenever a customer places an order, the supplier prints, packages, and ships the product directly to them. This means you can run your business without storing products at home. You can sell a wide range of custom products, including t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, tote bags, phone cases, posters, stickers. Popular platforms include Printful, Printify, Gelato, Shopify, Etsy, for example. You could create motivational quote t-shirts, funny mugs, or branded merchandise for a specific niche. Once your store is live, customers from around the world can purchase your products, while the supplier handles the fulfillment. The biggest advantage is that you can start with very little money because you only pay for production after a customer places an order. As your designs become more popular and your store grows, this side hustle can develop into a profitable e-commerce business generating income around the clock. Number 3. Digital products. Imagine creating something once and getting paid for it over and over again. That's the power of selling digital products. Unlike physical products, digital products don't need inventory, packaging, or shipping. Once you've created them, customers can download them instantly from anywhere in the world, making this one of the most scalable online businesses. There are countless digital products you can create, including ebooks, digital planners, Canva templates, Notion templates, online courses, business guides, budget trackers, social media templates. Popular platforms include Gumroad, Etsy, Payhip, Stan Store, Shopify, for example. If you're good at graphic design, you could sell Canva templates. If you enjoy writing, you could publish an ebook. If you're an expert in a particular subject, you could create an online course and sell it to students worldwide. The biggest advantage is that there's no limit to how many times you can Sell the same product. As your audience grows, your digital products can continue generating income with little ongoing effort. Many entrepreneurs have built full-time businesses by selling digital products, proving that your knowledge and creativity can become valuable assets. Number 2, social media management agency. In today's digital world, almost every business needs a strong social media presence. The problem is that many business owners simply don't have the time or expertise to manage their accounts consistently. That's where social media managers come in. As a social media manager, your role is to help businesses grow their online presence by creating engaging content and building relationships with their audience. Your responsibilities may include creating social media posts, scheduling content, responding to comments and messages, growing followers and engagement, tracking analytics and performance, developing content strategies. Popular platforms you'll manage include Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, Pinterest. Helpful tools you can use: Canva, Meta Business Suite, Buffer, Hootsuite. You can start by offering your services to local businesses, restaurants, salons, real estate agents, or small brands. As you build experience and achieve results, you can charge higher monthly fees and attract larger clients. One of the biggest advantages of this business is that clients typically pay a monthly retainer, meaning you can earn recurring income instead of constantly searching for new customers. Over time, you can hire designers, video editors, and content creators, allowing you to grow from a one-person side hustle into a full-service digital marketing agency. Number 1. Content creation. Coming in at number 1 is content creation. If I had to start over today with little money, this is the side hustle I'd choose. Content creation is all about sharing valuable or entertaining content online and building an audience around your interests or expertise. You can create videos, write articles, record podcasts, or post short-form content on social media. You don't have to be an expert or have expensive equipment to get started. Many successful creators began with just a smartphone and a good idea. You can create content about almost anything, including personal finance, business, fitness, technology, fashion, travel, education, lifestyle. Popular platforms include YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. What makes content creation so powerful is that it opens the door to multiple income streams. As your audience grows, you can make money through advertising revenue, brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, online coaching or consulting, memberships. The biggest advantage is that your content keeps working for you long after you've published it. A single video, blog post, or social media post can continue attracting viewers, customers, and income for months or even years. That's why content creation isn't just a side hustle, it's a business that can create opportunities far beyond making money online. And there you have it, 5 side hustles that have the potential to completely change your financial future. The truth is, none of these businesses will make you rich overnight. But if you're willing to stay consistent, keep learning, and take action, any one of them could become a serious source of income. Remember, you don't have to start all 5. Pick the one that matches your skills, interests, and goals. Then commit to it. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll begin building the life you want. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these side hustles would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video about business, money, and financial freedom. Thanks so much for watching. and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, wealth is built through progress. Keep progressing. Progressers